Okay, Morgan.
What could it be?
Cool! It's a Tonka truck!
A big one.
Big one. Hold out.
Cool.
Totally awesome.
It's okay. Did you read it?
Happy 8th birthday at
Eat.
as much cake as
Humanly.
humanly possible, as muchly possible. Hope your birthdays are a
Success.
success. Morgan, we love you very much. Thank you for being such a wonderful boy. Today will be a fun day. Love, Mommy, Daddy.
Happy birthday.